way to get over. Okay, 150. Hello, how you doing? Taco Bell? All right.
Knox Gear 39G activated. Battery good. Connected.
How's your day going? Oh, I can't complain. Let me get your drink for you. Alrighty. Okay, there we go. All right, now you have a good one. All right.
Head to your drop-off at 86608 Puuhula Road. Turn right on Farrington Highway.
Okay, back out. Sometimes you gotta make a decision how
Turn
you're
right
gonna
on
get across that
Farrington
street
Highway.
quickly. I don't care.
Just ahead, turn right on Miley Road.
Almost like the same pattern I did the other day.
Turn right on Miley Road.